9:30 p.m. when we checked in Park Avenue Hotel and we pre-booked this place via online. They immediately welcomed us and provided with our rooms at the second floor. This hotel at Nungambakkam is in prime location, very close to foreign consulates, Apollo Hospital, Shankar Nethralaya and other tourist spots like Valluvar Kottam, Semmoli Ponga, everything in few minutes, and that's the prime reason we chose this place. As soon as we checked inside the room, the server explained all the amenities they provide, the number to dial for any requirements, and also said that the in-room dining is until 10:30 p.m. Before we have our in-room dining, take a quick room tour. Inside the room, they also provided a complimentary fruit basket. Dining restaurant had Kerala style dishes, biryani rice and noodles, and they delivered in just 5 minutes after we ordered. So here we go. We ordered just one curry and 2 roti varieties. So for the curry we have ordered kadai chicken. It was hot, and for the bread we ordered chapatis and parathas. Bhargav tried out. It was quite neatly packed, and Bhargav took the chapatis. The chapatis were too soft and the chicken meat pieces was even too soft. This chapati and kadai chicken was definitely tasting good, and we had a happy dinner, and it's time to have a snack. The next day morning we got refreshed and ready sharp by 7 a.m. Guess where we are going? Yes, we are heading down floor for the breakfast buffet, and it's absolutely free for the people who stay there. It's just a complimentary breakfast buffet. As we entered in the restaurant, it was totally free because we were sharp at 7 a.m. But let's check in what they do have for their breakfast. It was a very simple and elegant breakfast with English style food, banana, bread, butter and jam spreads, boiled egg. Onto the other side, they also had a typical simple South Indian style food out there. Let's check in there too. The idli was steaming hot. I just took one idli out from there. They had soft uttappams and sambar. The sambar was also very piping hot. Since we just reached sharp at 7 a.m., the vada is just empty. Let's check that out later. They had semia upma, and this semia upma is looking so colorful. Let me take a scoop of it. They are yet to fill the chutney bases too. They also had idiyappam and green peas masala. Bhargav started off with semia upma. I was just wondering, did he really mean to take that? Meanwhile, they also filled the coconut chutney and the tomato chutney, and this tomato chutney is definitely looking so thick. My god, look at how hot the vada is. So basically they had masala vada inside. Then I toasted some bread for Bhargav because he was just getting mad over this soft uttappams. He loved only crispy dosas. So he had his bread toast, bananas with the spreads. I also tried this idiyappam and green peas masala. It was good, but definitely this vada was too piping hot, and I just broke that masala vada. See how hot and great crunchy it is. My dad ended with a hot coffee out there, and I had some watermelon juice to end my breakfast. So our breakfast out there was very simple, filling and good. And our overall rating for the food, service and the stay for this hotel is 4 out of 5. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.